We are the next Snowflake. If you're like me, then you might have heard this many times when researching new up and coming IPOs in the marketing prospects, or when a recruiter tries to snipe you. They always claim that the pre-IPO company they're recruiting for will be the next Snowflake. So this sentence is so common that I decided to make a video on it to cover what it actually means, explaining the sort of impact and change in marketing language that the Snowflake IPO caused. So make sure you save this video and watch later if you don't have time to watch the full video. All right, so Snowflake, it was the biggest IPO in history in terms of a software company. And the thing with this company was that before they offered shares to the general public, there was a lot of employees and early investors that had equity in this company, before offering it to the market. So they had a slice, they had some ownership, people were working there pre-IPO being rewarded with equity, and early investors who bought in on the private market also had a significant share. So this means they got in at a low price. And when this company started trading in the open market, well, the history goes that they expected to trade between $75 and $85 a share, but the company went public, started trading at $120 per share, and then almost immediately in the very first day they went to 300, and this created so many millionaires, both early private investors who, most of them were already millionaires, but a lot of the employees who got equity in the company as part of their compensation package were millionaires overnight. And this is why everybody is trying to pitch that they are the next Snowflake. This massive wealth creation has become a marketing pitch today. And let's talk about three things that caused, a unprofitable company who had, great margins, but were trading at 75 times the revenue to go this insane. So you have something to go on when you look at maybe some private investments, or maybe you're looking to take a chance at a pre-IPO company and dream of being a part of the next Snowflake. All right. So this is the graph of Snowflake. Today they're trading at $173. We see the start of trading here, massive uptick from the first day. All right. So this company had favorable market dynamics. Some news corporations will talk about a massive total addressable market, but I don't think that this is what caused the IPO to be so successful. The thing that caused the massive success, in my opinion, was that Snowflake had a niche market that they were dominating, the data warehousing space, which is, estimated to grow. They have a lot of potential for business in this space, and that also showed in the growth of the company. So dominating a niche, success factor number one. It had a specialist CEO. Frank Slootman here was not one of the founders. He was brought in from the outside. He was the CEO of Data Domain earlier. That's, data security, which was bought by EMC later on. And then also for ServiceNow, another very successful software company that's publicly traded today. So a very experienced leader at the head of the company. Management is so important in making the right decisions on especially capital allocation. So success factor number two, a specialist CEO, a guy who knows how to sell, he has done it before. Success is more certain with Frank at the helm. And success factor number 3, this crazy growth. Snowflake had triple digit growth, and this caused this crazy valuation. I talk about it in earlier videos all the time, that higher growth means higher price to earnings and higher valuations. And in this case, triple digit caused this IPO to go to the moon, basically. And unfortunately, here in the recent quarterly earnings, they no longer had triple digits. They had like 80 something percent, and this caused stock to plummet. But now you know the 3 factors here: dominating a niche, a specialized CEO, and having massive growth numbers. So look for this in your private equity investment, or if you're looking to join a pre-IPO company to get early equity. Not every company will be the next Snowflake, although every company will pitch to you that they are the next Snowflake. Stay safe, invest safe, hope you make a ton of money. Bye bye.